A safe place called love. Who can answer? Where can you find it? When can you give it away? My love story is a circle, even though it started out in a box. A box filled with pain as only a child can see into and look out of. We all know the feeling. Childhood pain of what felt like abandonment. My first box was a poor man's house, a tar paper shack. Those first 5 years are vague, but I hang on to the memory like I really lived to cherish it forever. Life could have been so much different if I stayed. The next box is school years. Holy months, regimented activities, Catholic upbringing. This love came in what I perceived as denial of my being native. The hand is swifter than the eye, physical abuse, because I didn't know when to run. If I did run, I didn't know where, and though I knew I wanted to, I did not. I was forced to stay in their mercy. I learned a feeling called hate that stemmed from abuse done in the name of love. My next box was a Department of Social Services who gave me foster parents. These parents, caring for children 3 months out of the year. This love came from knowing this wasn't everlasting because they had an option of releasing you if you didn't fit into their box. I had 6 different families in 8 years. I learned at an early age that I did not want anything from anybody that could be taken away from me. As I became a parent and loved my own family, the one I got to create, life became real, but I was still running towards a love I couldn't give. I gave them fractional love. Today and over my past adult years, I came to believe in a word love and released the past. I mean to grow into the future and continue the journey with my Creator and my family and my extended family of the Anishinaabe. Now, my love story is a circle.